Here's a recipe for a classic pizza margherita with all the ingredients and preparation details. Ingredients: for the pizza dough, 1½ cups, 360 milliliters, warm water, about 110 degrees Fahrenheit or 43 degrees Celsius. 2 1/4 teaspoons, 1 packet, active dry yeast. 1 teaspoon granulated sugar. 3½ cups, 440 grams, all-purpose flour. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 1½ teaspoons salt. For the pizza toppings: ½ cup, 120 milliliters, pizza sauce or crushed tomatoes. 8 ounces, 225 grams, fresh mozzarella cheese, sliced or torn into pieces. Fresh basil leaves, whole or torn. Extra virgin olive oil, for drizzling. Salt and black pepper, to taste. Instructions: for the pizza dough, in a small bowl, combine warm water, yeast, and sugar. Let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes until it becomes frothy. In a large mixing bowl, combine the flour and salt. Make a well in the center of the dry ingredients. Pour the yeast mixture and olive oil into the well. Using a wooden spoon or your hands, mix the ingredients until a dough starts to form. Turn the dough out onto a floured surface and knead it for about 5 to 7 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. If it's too sticky, add a little more flour. Shape the dough into a ball and place it in a lightly oiled bowl. Cover it with a clean kitchen towel and let it rise for about 1 to 1.5 hours or until it has doubled in size. For assembling and baking, preheat your oven to the highest temperature it can reach, usually around 500 degrees Fahrenheit or 260 degrees Celsius. If you have a pizza stone, place it in the oven during the preheating. Once the dough has risen, punch it down and divide it into 2 equal portions. Roll out each portion into a thin round pizza crust. Place each pizza crust on a piece of parchment paper to make transferring it to the oven easier. Spread half of the pizza sauce over each crust, leaving a small border around the edges for the crust. Arrange the slices or pieces of fresh mozzarella evenly over the sauce. Add the fresh basil leaves on top of the cheese. Drizzle a little extra virgin olive oil over the pizza, and season with a pinch of salt and black pepper. Carefully transfer the parchment paper with the assembled pizza onto a baking sheet or pizza peel. If using a pizza stone, slide the parchment paper with the pizza onto the preheated stone in the oven. If not using a stone, place the baking sheet with the pizza in the oven. Bake the pizza for about 10 to 12 minutes, or until the crust is golden and the cheese is bubbly and slightly browned. Remove the pizza from the oven and let it cool for a minute or 2 before slicing. Serve hot and enjoy your classic pizza margherita. This simple and delicious pizza celebrates the freshness of its ingredients and is a favorite for many.